Craig from Yes Way again. Just going to show you a quick tip. Right, this front plate on this induction motor is stuck on, it's rather old. What you don't want to do, because this is a cast iron motor, is hit it with a hammer, because you could shatter it, and you don't do that. A plastic mallet, what you could do is tap it to move it that way. As you can see, it's already done. I've done it slightly, but unfortunately I didn't have a plastic mallet, so I'm using a block of wood. So how am I going to do this and hold the camera is a good question, but you get the idea. Put a block of wood on so you're not bashing metal against metal, and then get yourself a hammer and tap it one way a bit and tap it the other way, and it should loosen the plate to make it easier to get off. This is Craig from Yes Way, yesway.co.uk.